How to request Chipotle gift card cashback for low balance. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and search chipotle.com/gift card cashback. Here, Chipotle gift card with a balance of less than $10 are eligible to receive a payout of the unused balance. Fill out the submit form to request a payout. And what you can do is scroll down, enter your first name, then enter your last name, add your email, and you can add your phone number and click on use same name as above. After you do that, it will enter first name, last name at the bottom as well. Add your address, your city, state, and zip code. After you've done that, press on submit, and then it will request Chipotle gift card cashback for low balance. This is how to request Chipotle gift card cashback for low balance. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.